Hello, folks. All my folks on Belly TV, we're inviting you to join us for a 30-day no sugar challenge beginning right now. Yes, today, January the 1st. We're going for the entire month of January without no sugar, no added sugar, no processed sugar, no carbs, anything that is sugar related. We're going to take it out of our diet. You can join me on YouTube or Instagram at Belly TV, where we're going to be posting daily. And we're going to be keeping each other accountable. You can also tag me in any of your posts that you are putting out having to do with no sugar. Join us now, man. Recipes, health talk, juices, sugar substitute, all the different ways we can X out processed sugar out of our diet. We're going to explore it during these couple 30 days. Also, we want you to weigh in if you want and check your weight so that you have an idea of how much you have lost, if you have lost any. And we see how it go. Join me now. Belly TV. No sugar, we said January.